Howdy, this is Michael Good from ReaperTrades.com with the October 2nd trade recap. What you see before you is ONCY, ONCY. Let's take a look at the multi-day chart here. So this one has a pretty decent uptrend going on. If we look at a longer term chart, it's still new highs. So this is a new 52-week high today, and a couple days ago it was also a new 52-week high. And actually that wasn't a couple days ago, that was about a week or so ago. We had a couple big white candles here. It had an intraday high of 320, closed probably around 316. Next day it had a large range, didn't actually move much between open and close, but had an intraday high of 338. And the next day opened at around 316 or so, hit an intraday high of 320 and then fell. It gapped up this morning in the pre-market. I think there was some news. I'm not sure though. And it looked like it was going to open right around 320 or so. So I said, okay, 320 is an important technical breakout here. Yeah, it's not above its absolute high of 338, but the fact that for 3 days it either opened or closed right below 320 means that that level is pretty important. So I watched it. I had my order ready. It opened right around 324 or so, and within a second was down below 314. And then it was around 314, 313, 312. Looks like it hit a low around 311, and then slowly moved back up. I bought right here at 3.225, including commissions. And then I saw this. The bid dropped like a rock back below 320, even though it was printing on the ask, and the ask kept rising. So that scared me out a bit, and I decided to get out here. And I took a lousy $91 profit. And even though there weren't any trades below the ask at that time, I was looking at my time and sales, and it just kept banging the ask. And that's an important thing. You look where the trades are occurring. Are they occurring at the midpoint between bid and ask? Are they occurring at the bid? If they're occurring all at the ask or all at the bid, then it usually means that the stock is going to move. If they're occurring all at the ask or the offer, the stock's going to move up. If they're occurring all at the bid, the stock's probably going to move down. So I was wrong to get out there. I just didn't have enough guts. I mean, you need to take risk to make money trading stocks. And I said, oh, I've got a little bit of a profit. No. You need to be able to take a little risk, let it ride a little, and if I had, I would have gotten out right around here or so, or maybe here, but probably around 360, and that would have been about a $500 profit instead of a $90 profit. So I really messed that up. Here, let me show you the daily chart, or the intraday chart. 1 day. So another thing, that was the only stock I actually traded. Stock I almost traded, which is GSAE. Big morning spike in the first 30 minutes to 94 cents or so, and then dropped like a rock. And the reason I thought about trading this is because it has a big run chart, and it had 2 straight days, big down days. So you would expect it to bounce. Muddy and some of the other folks in the Investors Underground chat room played it right out of the open for a bounce, and I saw them chatting and saying, okay, this looks like a nice time to start taking profits around 92, 94 cents or so. And I said, okay, well, if I know some people that are in this stock that are trying to get out, then I should get in and short here. And I had a 10,000 share order. It was actually working on the market. I didn't get filled, and then I took it off. I should have just hit the bid at around 92 cents, 90 cents, and would have had an easy $1,000. Oh well, although that's not nearly as bad as missing ONCY. There's just no excuse for missing ONCY. I like how that sounds, ONCY. So that's it for today. Still a decent week overall, up $3,500 or so. And you can see me next week, ReaperTrades.com.